Hey kids, welcome back. Today we're going to learn something super exciting, physics. Physics is the science of how things move, stop, and fall. Let's begin. First, let's talk about gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls everything down. When someone jumps into the air, they always come back down. That's gravity. If someone drops a ball, it doesn't fly up, it falls down. Gravity pulls things toward the Earth, and that's why we don't float into space. Next, we have friction. Friction is a force that tries to slow things down. Imagine sliding across the floor. You don't slide forever, because friction stops you. But if someone slides on ice, they slide much farther, because ice has very little friction. Smooth surfaces have less friction, rough surfaces have more friction. And guess what? If you rub your hands together, they get warm. That's friction making heat. Now let's learn about motion. Motion simply means moving. Walking, running, jumping, rolling, all of that is motion. Things do not move unless something pushes or pulls them. For example, if a toy car is sitting still, it won't move until someone pushes it. That push starts motion. When the toy car rolls, friction slowly makes it stop. That's why real cars need engines, so they can keep moving even when friction pushes against them. Gravity can also change motion. If a ball rolls down a hill, gravity makes it go faster. So kids, today we learned 3 amazing science ideas. Gravity pulls things down. Friction slows things down. Motion is when things move. Physics is all around us, every single day. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye.